Hey everyone, and welcome to ImmigrateInsight. This is a brand new channel dedicated to helping you navigate the exciting, but sometimes complex, world of UK immigration. Are you dreaming of settling in the UK, building a life there, and calling it home? If so, then you've probably got one big question on your mind. How long will it take to get my settlement visa? Well, fret no more. Today, we are going to unveil the mystery behind UK settlement visa processing times in 2024. We'll be diving deep into the data, providing you with the latest information, and even exploring some ways to potentially speed things up. But before we jump in, let me just take a quick moment to ask for your support. This is a brand new channel, and we'd love to grow this community of ambitious individuals like yourself. So, if you find this content valuable, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an update on all things UK immigration. Alright, let's get down to business. According to the UK government's official website, the Home Office aims to process settlement visa applications within 120 working days, which is roughly 24 weeks from the date you submit your complete application. That's the standard processing time. Now, this might seem like a long wait, but it's important to remember that every application is unique. The complexity of your case, the supporting documents you provide, and even current global events, like the ongoing situation in Ukraine, can all impact processing times. Here's a quick fact. Did you know that according to Immigration Barrister, 98.5% of settlement applications submitted outside the UK are decided within 12 weeks, with 100% being decided within 24 weeks? That's a pretty good success rate. But even with those stats, we know waiting for any visa decision can be nerve-wracking. Here's the thing, while we can't control the processing time entirely, there are ways to make the process smoother. First, make sure your application is complete and error-free. Double-check all your documents, ensure you meet all the eligibility requirements, and follow the application instructions meticulously. Second, submit your application well in advance of your desired travel date. This way, even if processing takes longer than expected, you won't be caught off guard. Now, if you absolutely can't wait the standard processing time, the UK government does offer priority and super priority services. These options come with an additional fee, but they can significantly speed things up. With priority service, you could potentially receive a decision within 5 working days. Super priority service is even faster, aiming for a decision by the end of the next working day. But wait, there is hack. These services are subject to availability, so it's crucial to check if they're an option for your specific visa type before applying. There you have it. We've demystified the UK settlement visa processing times in 2024. Remember, planning, a complete application, and exploring options like priority service can all play a role in a smoother experience. Here's a quick recap. Standard processing time: 120 working days, 24 weeks. Aim for a complete and error-free application. Apply well in advance. Explore priority and super priority services, if available. If you have any further questions about UK settlement visas or any other aspect of UK immigration, feel free to leave a comment down below. We'll be happy to help. And once again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more insightful immigration content. Thanks for joining us on Immigrate Insight, and we'll see you on the next one.